What is Docker? Docker is an open-source platform that lets you run applications in small, isolated environments called containers. For NAS users, Docker is often used to run services like media servers, private cloud storage, download tools, home automation systems, photo backup platforms. Unraid comes with Docker built in, so you can install and manage containers directly from the web interface in LincStation NAS. Tip: please enable the array before enabling Docker. Step 1. Enable Docker in Unraid. Before you can install any containers, you need to turn on Docker. Here are the steps. Log into the Unraid web interface. Go to Settings and select Docker. Set the following option. Enable Docker Yes. Click Apply. Once Docker is enabled, you'll see a new Docker tab in the top menu. Step 2. Install containers. There are two methods to install containers. Method A. Add a container manually. If you want full control, you can create a container manually using an image from Docker Hub. This method is useful if the app isn't available in the App Store. Here are the steps. Go to the Docker tab. Click Add Container. Fill in the container details, such as the name of your container, repository, network type, ports, mappings, path. After everything is set up, click Apply. Unraid will automatically download the Docker image. Once the container is created, you can start the service. Method B. Community Applications. The easiest way to install Docker apps in Unraid is by using the Community Applications plugin. It works like an app store for Unraid, with thousands of ready-to-install Docker apps. Installing an app is simple. Just go to the Apps tab, search for the app you want, click Install, adjust any folder paths or ports if needed, and then click Apply. Unraid will then download the container and start it automatically. Step 3. Managing your containers. Once your containers are installed, you can manage them from the Docker tab. From there, you can start, stop, restart, view logs, access the console, or edit container settings as needed. Summary: there are two main ways to install Docker containers in Unraid. Add container manually. Create and configure a container yourself using a Docker image. Community applications. Search and install apps using ready-made templates. This is the easiest option for most users. Both methods run on the same Docker engine built into Unraid, so you can easily run a wide range of applications on your LincStation NAS.